Take a look at this file students.csv. It has the headers and the two records that we exported previously. And let's open this file school.db and list the tables. You see that there is only a student table. Let's assume for a moment that we want to import this data into a different table other than student, right? So the way to do it is to first set the mode to CSV because we're importing it from a CSV file. And the next thing to do is invoke the .import command, specify the file name, and then the table in which you want this stored. Let's just call this students2. Now that's done. To confirm that the data is indeed imported, run a select star from students2. You'll see that both these things appear. That is, your headers and the two rows appear. So this shows that the data has been imported. One thing to bear in mind, if you look at the schema of student, let's look at .schema for both the tables. You'll notice here that this table contains the original schema that we specified as part of the initial demo. The ID, name, and age are integer, varchar, and integer fields with all the constraints applied in all the bells and whistles here. Whereas here, you'll notice that there are no constraints and each column is of type text. We'll see why it's specifically text when we look at the data types section. For now, do keep this in mind that when you import data, it is something to be aware of.